So I want to start by asking you to share a little bit about your company and your particular focus within the organization. Hema, can you give a little bit of information on PwC and your particular practice?
Yeah, thanks, Joey. Absolutely. Happy to do that. Again, my name is Hema Kadali. I lead our Oracle Analytics practice. So in PwC, I mean, everybody knows that we are a global company. We operate about 180 countries throughout the world. But from an Oracle Analytics perspective, what we do it is three main things. One is that really driving the business outcomes for our clients using the data. So we've been using Oracle Analytics really kind of enable that. We work with our industry experts, the transformation leaders, and come up with like integrated solutions, leveraging Oracle pre-built content as well as the OAC to drive those business outcomes. That's one aspect we do it. The second one is that the innovation angle. So we basically use, again, some of the models that Oracle has built it from an AI and ML perspective, and we foster this citizen-led innovation. That's the big theme that we have been hearing from our clients, that they really wanted to use the AI and ML models to drive the innovation angles, right? That's exactly what we do it and help our clients to foster that innovation. And the third angle, what we do it is automation. Again, we use Oracle Analytics, Oracle data warehouses to drive the automation. And one example I can tell you quickly is that we are actually working with one of our clients during the pandemic and in the tax function. And we enabled a lot of their tax functionality and automation using the data coming from the Oracle and the Oracle Analytics Cloud, right? So, and that really helped them save almost about 8,000 hours. So that's the kind of things that we do it, really help our clients, to drive the business outcomes, to drive innovation, and enable the automation. So that's what our practice is, Joey.
So Hema, I know that you've talked about a new strategy that PwC is implementing called the New Equation. It describes a passionate community of solvers who come together in unexpected ways. It sounds very compelling. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, sure, Joey. A few weeks back, our CEO announced this new equation, and this is really all about our customers and what they are doing in the marketplace and the demands that they are basically facing it from their customers, right? So there are two components to the new equation. One is building the transformative, innovative type of solutions that drive the business outcomes. And the secondly, making sure that we build the trust with the customers, right? So those are the two really important factors for the new equation. How are we doing it? We basically, as you said, we have a tremendous source of people with a lot of talent, and then we are basically bringing all of these guys together to build these innovative solutions, right? And how are we leveraging Oracle Analytics from this solutions perspective? One is that obviously Oracle, OAC, and FAW, you guys provide a lot of content. We are basically taking that and we are extending and expanding that content to basically make sure that we provide these solutions, right? I'll give you a couple of examples. One example is that we're actually working for a global hardware manufacturing company, and they were using actually the blockchain technology to really determine profitability of the product. As you know that for a hardware manufacturing company, there is a lot of supply chain units throughout the globe, right? So they need to make sure that as the product goes through these supply chain units, they need to make sure that the markups are being taken out and the true profitability of the product is being captured, right? That's what we did. We actually used the OAC and FAW and extended these models to capture that information and to provide the profitability analytics, for this particular customer. That's just one example, which is really very innovative and transformative for this particular customer, right? The second one I just talked about is the tax data hub project that we did it, where we really used the OAC as well as the data warehouse components to really automate their tax function and save a lot of hours for this customer in a global level. So those are the two examples that we've done it in the recent times to help our clients achieve their business goals.
I know that you have also been experiencing some success within PwC for Oracle Analytics. Can you characterize a bit of that for us? How does it feel in terms of momentum for you?
It's exactly what Todd and Rich were talking about it. I mean, we have seen tremendous growth in the last, I would say, year and a half. I think especially with FAW launch, I mean, our clients are really loving it, right? I think it's the end-to-end solutions they're looking for it. One other thing I would just add to what Rich said is the speed. I think they really are looking to deploy these solutions at a scale and the speed. And quite honestly, I think the Oracle Analytics and FAW is providing that. And the second component is the innovation. They wanted to do this AI and ML type models, but with no code or low code, right? So I think, again, Oracle is providing that. So in terms of the growth, I mean, we are seeing like, it's tremendous growth for us in the last, I would say, 12 to 18 months.